Job costing shouldn't be complicated or confusing. With Contractor Foreman, we help you see what jobs are profitable and which tasks are losing you money. We give you real-time access to the numbers you need when you need it. Here are just a few examples of the many ways Contractor Foreman can help. We make estimating easy. Here are the features we offer that will streamline the time it takes you to create and manage your estimates. Let's look at estimating templates. Estimate templates speed up estimating tenfold with less errors. Don't recreate that awesome looking estimate from scratch, use a template. With our professional proposals feature, we help you to always look good to a prospective client. If you can create a document in Word, you can create an awesome looking proposal. And we provide the way for you to offer client financing right from the estimate. When you present your clients with finance options, you can close jobs faster. Super fast client financing will help you get larger jobs faster because clients who finance their projects are willing to spend more money. Find out what you have been leaving behind. Invoices are a big part of your financial activities, so let's take a look at some of the ways we make invoices easier and faster for you to manage. Being able to track retainage and retention helps you keep track of money you are owed. Because we allow you to automate your retention and holdbacks at all times, you'll know how much has been retained. Did your GC decide to move from 10% to 5% retainage? That's not a problem. We've made this so easy, this alone is worth the price of admission. We want you to breathe a sigh of relief. And we let you quickly generate invoices based on percent completed or number of units installed. Do you need AIA-style G702 invoices? Our seamlessly integrated AIA billing is all so easy and fully automated. We track retention with no extra work. So, if your GC is requiring AIA G702 style billing, we have you covered. If they are not, we still have you covered for when they do. Billing your clients based on time and material is easy with Contractor Foreman. Generate an invoice and then quickly import your expenses, purchase orders, time cards, and more. Speed and convenience make it easier for your customers to pay their invoice online, and that means money in your account even sooner. With credit card rates at 2.9% and ACH rates at just 1%, our integration with Stripe is a winning solution. We also offer the following features related to online payments: payment method preferences, breakup payments, in-person payments, payments over the phone, and sync to QuickBooks. With our Bills and Expenses module, we make it easy for you to manage your expenses. With Contractor Foreman, generating a bill is fast and simple. We allow you to quickly import items from purchase orders and subcontracts directly into your bills. This means less mistakes, less time, and more productivity. Our QuickBooks integration means no more double entry. Our two-way sync with QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop means your items are synced, resulting in fewer mistakes, less data entry, and more productivity. Change orders and the tracking of them can be the bane of your existence. Contractor Foreman automatically updates the status so you know if it's been approved or still pending. With our purchase order features, you can easily track expenses. Did you just get a bill for the PO? Generate a bill against that PO in a single click. Did a vendor only deliver or bill you for a partial order? We allow you to track material delivered and material billed. Material prices are constantly changing. Contractor Foreman helps you get, select, and process material pricing from your vendors in a snap. Get pricing quotes from multiple vendors, select the one you like, and save it as a PO. It's that quick and easy. With our bid management module, we let you manage all your bids in one place. Contractor Foreman lets you send out multiple bid requests and then manage the responses and then award the ones you want to accept. We make it easy for your subs and vendors to use. We provide you with side-by-side invitation to bid comparisons. See sub-vendor pricing in one easy-to-view screen. Don't waste time bouncing from one screen to another. See it all in one place so that you really know what you've got to work with. We also allow you to easily manage your subcontracts. Contracts are a necessity in today's workplace. Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to create subcontracts. Do it right from the bid manager once you've awarded a bid. Merge and contract details to include terms, conditions, scope of work, etc. The features we provide for you include progress billing, custom fields, double entry elimination, importing of existing items, single-click bill creation, and subcontract retainage. And a really popular capability of Contractor Foreman is the way we allow you to create and use a cost items database of your commonly used items. You know that the sooner you can create an estimate and get it to your client, the more likely you are to win a bid. Time matters, and our cost items database makes it super simple for you to build estimates quickly by storing your material, labor, equipment, subcontractor, and other items for future use. This allows you to quickly import items into your estimates, change orders, work orders, purchase orders, bills, invoices, or schedule of values. Enter it once and done. We think you'll agree the Contractor Foreman will save you tons of time in the way you manage the financial aspects of your business, while at the same time making you more competitive.